Is it true that you cannot shower for 1 month? Today we have invited Yuan Sang's TCM expert Eric, and I'm gonna ask him a few questions about confinement. So we've prepared 3 soups today from different stages on confinement. Eric, can you tell me how important is nourishment and having all these herbal soups during confinement?
Having good nourishment during confinement is very important because it helps in the recovery and to promote future reproduction and healthy fertility. The first stage is very important because it involves the clearance of lochia in the body. It's the remaining of the uterus and the lining which need to be clear for it. Second stage, usually we don't go for the strong boost because the body loses a lot of qi and blood during the delivery process. In this case, if you give a strong boost and you take in like very strong tonic, the body may not be able to absorb and respond. Once you reach the third stage, it means the body is ready. So you can start to boost the body, you can improve the immunity, the strengthening of the back because the mom has undergone a very tremendous stress during the pregnancy and delivery process, and they need to recover and get back the normal menstruation cycle.
All these herbal tonics, right? 我要吃可以吗？
要是可以. For fathers who are working overtime and have a tremendous stress, they can also take a small amount of this energizing 十全大补汤 together with the confinement moms.
So for the lactation booster, 如果我 take 我也是会有。
没有啦. For lactation booster, because we have different machine, so you don't respond to that.
Do people have to really stick religiously to take the herbal soups constantly?
It is good for them to have a routine because our body has a biological clock. So if you take today, skip tomorrow, it reduces the effectiveness.
So on that note, Yuan Sang has a 28 days essential royal care kit with a discount of $210. Is it true that you cannot shower for 1 month?
It is not very true. If you don't shower, imagine all the bacteria and all the poor personal hygiene. It may lead to like skin problem or this hygiene issue.
So after cooking for 40 minutes, here we have it. It smells so good. Wow, very nice, very clear.
Don't worry, it won't boost your lactation.
It's a bit sweet, it's a bit sweet. Very ting, very ting. Okay, this is the pu one. Wow, nice show. I like this one. Thank you for explaining to me so much about different confinement herbal soups and like the different stages. What I got from this episode is actually the 28 days essential royal care kit is really very convenient. It's so easy to cook. You can actually buy these packages and then cook it at home yourself.
Yes, it's so simple. Even dads can do it.
If you found this episode educational and informative, do let us know in the comments down below what other TCM facts you would like to know more about. Bye!